Hi, I am Heather at Reflex Tuning. Here are some common oil and coolant leaks we see every day on the Audi 3-liter turbo engines. We see a lot of Audi 3-liter turbo engines. If you're wondering what the most common problems are, oil and coolant leaks top the list. This SQ5 came in from a local dealership with a customer complaint of a burning oil smell in the cabin. The dealership said they could not source any smell nor leaks. It was clear the engine hadn't been cleaned at all. In just a few seconds, we spotted the leaking oil. The source of the leak was the oil filter housing. Oil runs down the front and rear of the engine, creating that burning smell. The other common issue we found was a leaking water pump, which can fail and push coolant into the control solenoid and even the wiring harness, causing major electrical problems. That's why we always check the solenoid during every service. If you're doing these type of repairs while the car is in service position, we recommend replacing the accessory belt, tensioner, and rollers to save on labor. Otherwise, our recommended interval for the belt service is 8 years or 90,000 miles. A clean engine, a happy engine, and always a happy customer.